The world demands everything from you, your time, your attention, your nerves. Every morning you wake up to a chaos of other people's opinions and random events. But what if I told you there was a way to become invulnerable? Stoicism isn't some dry theory from dusty books. It's an operating system for surviving hell. Today, we'll explore 4 fundamental rules that will transform your mind into a fortress. Rule number 1, divide the world in 2. Your stress lives where you try to control chaos. The weather, the economy, what your neighbors think of you, these are beyond your control. Your thoughts, your intentions, and your reactions are your territory. Anything beyond your control deserves only one answer. It's nothing to me. Stop wasting your energy on what you can't change and channel it into where you are absolute monarch. Rule 2, kill your judgments. Events in themselves are neutral. You color them with the colors of tragedy or triumph. Getting fired isn't the end of the world. It's simply a change in career. Betrayal isn't your weakness, but a characteristic of another person. Look at the world as a chemical process. No drama, no unnecessary adjectives. See the facts, not your fears. When you delabel an event as bad, it stops hurting you. Rule 3, love your fate. A Stoic doesn't just endure blows, he welcomes them. Amor Fati, love of fate. Imagine every obstacle as a training device, designed specifically for your growth. Just as fire consumes everything thrown at it and only grows stronger, so should you use failures as fuel. Don't wish for life to be easier, wish to be stronger. Be grateful for every storm, it makes you a captain. Rule 4, build an inner citadel. Your peace shouldn't depend on praise or criticism. Your value isn't found in likes or your bank account. Your character is the only asset that can't be taken away. Build a place within yourself where you can retreat at any moment to find peace. Be rich within, and external poverty won't touch you. Be firm in your principles, and external pressure will only confirm your strength. Knowledge is just the first step. Now close this video and start practicing right now, in the next conflict, in the next challenge. Be stoic. The universe is watching you. Subscribe to StoicPulse to remember who you are